Hello and welcome all to my channel, and today's video is focusing more about challenges which happen at the time of plumbing. So guys, this happened on one of my site, I mean the series Ashiana, which you guys are following. So I would like to share an incident about what happened on our site. So there was a task, I mean, since these are all old building as in it is a old construction. So earlier what used to be, I mean for plumbing and for sanitation, the material we used were, GI was the material, which was GI pipes were extensively used for plumbing. So since we are redoing the entire flat, we are changing the plumbing lines. I mean, we are replacing the old GI pipes to the new PVC pipeline. Similarly, even the sanitation part, I mean, they were old ceramic pipes, old GI and a combo of ceramic pipes, which again we are replacing by PVC. So while this was happening, I mean the task of changing the pipes at on our site, my project is located at the 10th floor. So this, while we were doing this, so our pipe changing process happened very smoothly. So there were few challenges, but it all happened very smoothly. So it was an entire day's task. So right from morning we all were on the site and we were getting these things done. So what happened was, evening when the work was completed, we had resumed the pipe water flow. So there was no issue as such, but after few hours there was a complaint reported from the second floor, rather third floor, that the water, I mean the kitchen sink pipeline was getting blocked. So our site was at the 10th floor and this happened at the 3rd floor. So definitely there was something which was wrong. I mean there was something which was actually, I mean which might have caused a problem to the lower floors as well. So definitely, I mean it is not that 10th floor and the connection of 10th floor and 3rd floor, it is the same pipeline, but there was a problem which was reported on the 3rd floor, not the 9th, not the 8th. It was directly on the 3rd floor. So when our team went for inspection, it was the society guys also who accompanied us, because we directly couldn't reach there because it was not the adjoining floors. It was a very low floor. So definitely society plumber also were into force. So what we had noticed was, on the 3rd floor, I mean the design of the building is such that second floor flats, they have a small a big wider balcony than the regular balconies. So the pipe extension, there was a pipe extension which was there on the second floor. Now while we were changing the pipe, while we changed our pipes, because the pipes were all rusted, the rust went through the pipes, and the position where there was an L extension on the second floor, the rust got accumulated. Also the pipe on the second floor was completely rusted. So pipe rust plus this additional rust actually led us for the blockage. So this was the issue. Then we had to replace the entire pipe which was rusted. So this was a challenge. This definitely, we had to change that entire pipeline because that pipe was rusted. So the rust when we were doing our work, so few rust from the 10th floor traveled down. It got clogged exactly at the juncture where the pipe was having an L extension. So the entire L extension had to be changed. When we removed the pipe, the condition of the pipe was very horrible. It was so difficult. I mean it was a very discomforting sight, because the amount of rust which was settled, it was very horrifying. So we had to change the entire pipeline. I mean we had to change the entire L extension. We got it replaced by PVC. So once that was done, everything was very smooth. The water flow, everything was completely, it was very crisp. But the moral of the story is, whenever you are doing work at your place, on your site, you also have to ensure that there is no problem for the other neighborhood people. I mean because what happens is, when we are replacing this old kind of things with the new things, definitely the switching of the old material to the new material, there might be some challenges. So these challenges also had to be tackled very well. Now it is not only the pipe change which happened on the second floor, but since we were working on the second floor, definitely the people on the second floor, they had they had to cooperate. They definitely cooperated us a lot, but towards the end of the work, what is more important is the cleaning. So I am attaching a small, I'm showing you the small video where this kind of cleaning is also expected, so that you not only do your work, it is our responsibility to get everything very much clean and clear, so that even the people who are cooperating us, they are also happy and we are also doing a great job. So guys, this is a very small video on the plumbing challenge what happened on my side. My side being on 10th floor, everything was very much good. On the lower floors also everything happened smooth, but the problem appeared on the third floor. There was a clogging on the third floor because on the second floor the pipe had an L joint, so the L joint got clogged. So I hope you had learned a few things, a few minor important things about plumbing. And if there is any issue, if there is anything, any query which you would like to ask me, don't forget to comment below, so that I can definitely reach out to you on that. I hope this video was valuable, and I'll be posting much videos of this genre, because I am getting frequent emails wherein there are people who are actually wanting to know in depth about what happens while the renovation is going on. So I would definitely like to highlight and focus these small issues as well, because these are not small, but these are major things which have to be taken care. Superficially outside the flat looks very good, but what happens, the actual hygiene of your flat is the internal things. So it is always advisable not to compromise on the civil part, plumbing, electrification, and even on the carpentry. The inner part of the carpentry definitely has to be taken care. So feel free to comment and ask your doubt, or if you have any suggestion, you can definitely put forth it, and keep watching. So thank you for now. Bye bye.